Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. This is the 25 lap club final at Dallas Karting Complex in the 100cc senior class. It's a new view for us. I'm starting on pole. I won the pre-final for the very first time ever in this series. So this is a new view. Hopefully we can make this view a little bit more common in the future. If you watched last month's final race, you saw that about halfway through the 25 lap final then, really wore down. So let's see if I can keep from wearing down in this race and finish strong. Looking for the green flag. Here we go. Get a pretty good start. That's Haas number 2, Justin to the right. I'm able to clear him and get in the first place. A little bit of a bobble there. Pretty hot day. It's in the low 90-degree Fahrenheit range. Track is really sticky, feels really good, hasn't rained in several weeks. I went, I think, a pound lower in air pressure compared to the pre-final, so we'll see if that pays off for me later in the race. You see right there Vicent going to the inside of Justin, makes the pass going into 1. I'd say Vicent, I don't know all of the drivers in the field, but I'd say Vicent's probably the fastest one. So I'm going to have my hands full trying to beat him in this race. But we'll see what happens. A little mess up through that area on my part. Quick glance to the back. He's right there, so I'm going to exit this onto the straight, go defensive. And he's going to go to the outside of me. Let's see if he can clear me, if I can stay to the inside. And he clears me right there. Nice move to the outside, so I'm going to try to hang with him and get my spot back. A little wide through there. You see me kind of catch up to him. So here I'm studying Vicent's lines. I don't have a lot of practice with him recently, driving with him, so I'm studying where he brakes and what lines he takes and see if I can put something together and get my spot back. I met Vicent probably 3 years ago in rental kart racing of all places, and we are now racing at club level. At the club level in the 100cc class, I definitely recommend coming on to this side of things as well. You can still rental kart race, but it's always fun to have your own kart as well. Vicent also does some regional racing, so he's getting a lot of valuable experience there. I only do club racing, so that's going to be to my disadvantage there. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try to see what I can do. You see I tend to carry more speed going into the apex of 1. Really takes a tight entry into those S-turns there. Kind of noticing I'm a little bit wider than he is. He really gets a good exit through that section. Trying to stay in his draft here. All right, you see me catch up. So again, mental notes there. Trying to maybe stay close to him to try to make a move at the end of the straight going into 1. Maybe on the next probably 2 laps if I can do that. The gap opens up a little bit there. I'm a little wide through there. I slid out there too a little bit. I'm losing time in those last 2 corners, looks like. Take a look back. We're kind of pulling on Justin a little bit, so not much to worry about back there. All right, he missed that turn, about 2 turns back. A little wide through there, he missed that. See me kind of catch up to him as a result. Come to find out, I talked to Vicent after the race, we have about a 20-pound difference in weight. I should probably be racing in the Masters class, but there's really not anyone in the Masters class. racing, so I just race seniors, which is a lower weight limit. Now you see him wide again. So that's two laps in a row where he kind of missed that turn. Doing a little hand maintenance there. Hands feel pretty good though. It's not really pulling away by a big margin. I mean, it's pretty steady overall. Let's see if he can nail his turn again this time around. All right, does a lot better that time. Really working hard right now. Going flat out as fast as I can go. Every turn is just everything. I'm going as fast as I can on every turn. Trying to be precise on the braking and the acceleration. Where I'm putting the wheels. I'll be right by that curve right here. Just like that. He's a little wide through there. Seems to be struggling through those series of turns there. See the gap really open up behind us. Slowly just inching away. I'm a little wide through there. But he's right there. Seemed to catch him a little bit on the turns. So he missed that again. You see me kind of catch him just a little bit. Now compared to our top mile an hour down the straight, and they were about the same. It doesn't mean that every time we go down the straightaway it's the same, but our top speed was about the same. You see me really catch him right here. So let's see if I can get close enough to make a move. Again, he's wide through there. This is a lot of fun, just being kind of in your own little world for about 12 to 15 minutes, especially trying to track down the leader of a race. If I can beat him, definitely be a good day for me, because I think he's a better driver than I am, but I think I can beat him. And that's the mindset right now, is just try to catch him. But he starts pulling away, and we see a little lap traffic coming up. So I'm hoping that he catches the lap traffic on a bad spot and just kind of slows him down just a little bit and helps me out with trying to catch him. I definitely need a little bit of luck on my side. I'm a little wide through there now myself. What I like about this sport, it's a hard sport, but you have to be really precise. You start missing a corner here or there. I mean, it all adds up in time on the track, as far as, you know, pulling away from someone or someone pulling away from you. You got to be really precise all the time, and it's hard to do it, but I think that's what makes karting fun as well. So it's one of the things, one of the aspects of it that I really enjoy. All right, Vicent going to the inside. And I catch him kind of at a bad spot. I'm really taking a kind of a bad entry into one, but that's just what happened. The laps are starting to wind down. But I'm feeling pretty good overall. I know at this point in the race last month, I was ready for the race to be over. Here, I feel okay. I feel pretty good. I mean, he's not super far away, but he's kind of far away in karting, in the karting realm. But he's just right there. Maybe about a second and a half, I'd guess. Maybe 2 seconds, somewhere in there. Doesn't look like I'm going to catch him, so we'll change gears and talk about something else. Cannot wait for Dallas Karting Complex to finish the north track and then demolish this track, which I'm going to miss like this turn. It's one of my favorite turns, and build the south track and drive it for the first time. And it's got different configurations that they can do for us on race day, so I'm looking forward to having just a new place to race, or same place but just new tracks to race at. And when's that going to happen? I'm not really sure. I think the north track will be done probably in about a month, if I had to guess. And then I have no idea when the south track will be done. But I look forward to bringing you some videos from that, and look forward to y'all seeing those videos. And let's see how the racing changes, because we're going to have to figure out the track. All right, this lap plus one more and we are done. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see. If there's a certain subject you want me to cover, I'll see if I can make that happen. Got a couple other videos in the pipeline that I'm excited to show you. One of them is going to be which is the best kart class to start in, and if you're brand new. So look out for that one. All right, last turn. Got second place. My best finish, I think, ever in a 100cc club race. So, hey, it's a good result. Had a pretty good weekend. Won the pre-final. Got second place overall. I think reached the top of my expectation level. Realistically, did I think I was going to win? Probably not. Thought it was possible if certain things fell my way. But realistically, I think if I drove a good race, I could probably get second place, given the who else was in the race and where I was starting, of course. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that one. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.